I came here today because on top of the fact that I will be speaking about the emerging regulatory strategies in the Middle East region, but also it's the best way for people, regulatory leaders, and companies to connect together for finding solutions for now that everything is changing in the manufacturing sites.
I think it's very important to network, to have this partnership between regulators, distributors, and overseas manufacturers. It bridges the gaps and it paves the way for a mutual understanding in what best benefits the patient.
Many people think that regulatory is all about administrations, rules, and moving papers. Regulatory is also all about connecting to people. Connections are important, connecting to regulators, but also just spending time together and talk about what is happening.
It's important to connect and even with the regulators to know what's going on in other countries, specifically, let's say, for the jurisdiction like in the US, Europe, and how the countries in the region could benefit of the regulation in other countries by doing the alliance.